Assalamualaikum. Today I am telling you some shortcuts about sine and cos angles. This is a very easy shortcut to solve more of the angles of sine and cos angles. It is in this shortcut you can easily calculate more of the angles for sine and cos you can easily recalculate it. To calculate sine and cos angle, very easy memorizing. Please memorize these three lines. You can easily to solve all these sine and cos angles. The first one is that sine 45 1 over under root 2 is very similar to cos 45 1 over under root 2. Sine 45 1 over under root 2 and cos 45 1 over under root 2. Then sine 30 1 over 2 is similar to cos 60 1 over 2. Sine 60 under root 3 upon 2 is similar to cos 30 under root 3 upon 2. If you can memorize this chart, this sine chart, then you can easily memorizing this chart. How? Then you see sine 45 1 over under root 2 is similar to cos 45. Sine 30 1 over 2, then cos 30 not sine 30 plus 30 60, so cos 60 1 over 2. Sine 60 under root 3 upon 2, then 60 minus 30 30, then cos 30 is equals to under root 3 upon 2. This is very similar memorizing. If sine plus 30, then the angle will be cos 61 over 2. Then sine 60 minus 30, then this angle will become sine 30, then cos 30 under root 3 upon 2. This is a very similar way to memorize all these shortcuts. You can easily to solve all these manners and all these angles in a very suitable and in very short time. Another example is that memorize these angles. Diwar means perpendicular. Perpendicular angles are 90 and 270, and the perpendicular function is sine. Sine 90 and 270 is the perpendicular function, and then the similar is cos 180 and 360. It is and zameen means base. This is called base. Zameen base cos 180 and 360. Sine 90 to 70 means diwar. Cos 180 and 360 means zameen. Then how it is solved? It is very easily to solve this. Sine 90 is equals to sine means perpendicular, 90 means perpendicular over perpendicular plus perpendicular is equals to perpendicular means 1. Sine 270 also 1, but it can minus 1 minus 1. And if you can memorize this sign, then you can easily to memorize cos 180 minus 1, and sin 90 is 1. You can easily to calculate more and more in very restricted time and in very short time. Sin 90 is 1, sin 270 minus 1, diwar. Sin 90 means perpendicular is equals to 1. sin 90 sin दीवार 90 दीवार से दीवार को जब हम मिलाते हैं तो दीवार ही बनती है, मतलब 1. sin दीवार 270 नेगेटिव दीवार है, ये दीवार है मगर नेगेटिव, मतलब sin दीवार 270 दीवार. Perpendicular and the result is -1. Then you can memorize this, then you can easily to memorize this. memorize this chart, you can easily to calculate sine, 60, 90 and all other angles. This is an 0 angle and 360 means the mean. The mean means cos. Then it is a y-axis, x-axis. This is an y-axis. Y-axis means sine, means perpendicular, means divar. Divar is 90 degree. Okay. Then the similar is then it is also a mean negative, and this angle is 180 angle. Sine means cos, and this is an y-axis, x-axis, y-axis means perpendicular, means divar, means sine, and this is an angle of 270. 270 means -1. This is a very easiest way to memorize this chart and graph to solve this all the numbers. Example, if the question asks is, examiner asks is cos 90 degree is, this is an zameen, this is an perpendicular, means दीवार. दीवार पे ज़मीन का क्या काम, मीन्स perpendicular and base are not be in front of here, मीन्स दोनों एक साथ नहीं हो सकते, तो इसका रिजल्ट 0 आएगा. नंबर 2 एग्जाम्पल, इफ cos 270 70 perpendicular, negative हो and positive, it's not suspected in cos. Cos is the mean, base, perpendicular, दीवार पर ज़मीन का क्या काम, means 0 angle is not be suspected, 0 answer. This is a very easiest way to memorize this shortcut. If you like my shortcut, then comment and like my videos.